How to install and use. Take out the display screen. Align the screw holes on the display screen with the screw holes on the instrument, and secure with 3 hexagonal screws. Align the metal rod with the screw holes on the instrument, and secure it with 2 long screws. Install the same on the other side. Align the flat bracket slot with the screw holes on the instrument. Securely fasten with 3 plus screws. Align the curved bracket slot with the screw holes on the metal rod. Securely fasten with 3 plus screws. Install the same on the other side. Place the handle on the bracket. Align the connection end with the connection end of the instrument. Insert it and tighten it clockwise. Please make sure that it is connected properly. The 2 connection ends above are connected to a flat handle. The 2 connection ends are connected to the curved handle. Install the emergency handle. Insert the key and turn it clockwise to start the instrument. Turn it counterclockwise to shut it down. Select gender. Select area. Select the appropriate mode. Light up the handles that are needed. Those not in use do not need to be illuminated. Adjust the curved handle as described above. Abdominal muscle toning and shaping. Select 1-2 flat handpieces based on the participant's body type. Secure the handpieces to the abdomen using straps. Press to start and proceed with the procedure. Front thigh tightening and shaping. Secure the handpieces to the quadriceps using straps. Place the pause button in the participant's hand and instruct them to press it if they experience any discomfort during the procedure. Press to start and proceed with the procedure. After the time ends, remove the handpieces and unfasten the straps. Front thigh tightening and shaping. Secure the handpieces to the quadriceps using straps. Press to start and proceed with the procedure. The thigh and calf can be treated simultaneously. Buttock tightening and shaping. Secure the flat handpiece to the gluteus maximus using straps. Press to start and proceed with the procedure. Arm muscle toning and shaping. Place the flat handpiece on the biceps, ensuring the curved side fully contacts the arm. Press to start and proceed with the procedure. Elevate the pillow. Place the curved handpiece on the trapezius muscle, avoiding the neck and heart, Ensure the two heat dissipation vents are not blocked and the curved side fully contacts the skin. Other uses of the strap: it can be applied to suitable treatment areas. After turning off the device, clean the operating surface of the magnetic slim handle with a damp towel. Run dry. Immediately dry with a dry towel or paper towel to ensure the area remains dry during operation. If the magnetic slimming handle patch is peeling but undamaged, you can reapply it securely and continue using it. If the magnetic slimming handle pad develops nicks or scratches, it must be replaced. Use tweezers to lift the edge of the sticker. Peel off the damaged sticker. Remove the new patch. Peel off the white film underneath the sticker. Align with the edge of the handle. Press the sticker firmly into place and smooth it out. No gaps or bubbles allowed. The same applies to replacing stickers on curved handles.